is Ahmed. In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you the count whole concept. Count A, count blank, count if, exact, operating, string, a lot of formula we have to learn in this video. So let's start from count whole concept. Starting from a count. So how to amplify a formula. I've already written that, but without equal sign to understand. So let's do that. Equal sign, count, bracket open, selecting the range, bracket close, enter. So I have the answer of 3. What does it do? Why it's 3? Because it counts cells with numbers in Excel. So we have just 3 cells with numbers. So its answer is 3. Go to count A, equal sign, count A, bracket open, selecting the range, bracket close, enter. So now I have an answer of 4 because it does count cells with data. So whatever we have in the cells, numbers or alphabets, anything, so it counts. So we have 4 cells with data. Going to count if exact. What does he do? Let's start. Equal sign, count if, bracket open, selecting the range, comma. Now setting a criteria. So I will answer 4. I've given the criteria of pen. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can also write the criteria on the other box. Like I write a pen here, changing the formula. For writing a pen, I'm just selecting the box. So if I write here binder, so it counts binder. If I write here pencil, so it count the pencil. So what does it do? Count cells that match criteria. Match criterion exactly. It will find the criteria that matches with each other. How many times it is. So let's going to count if string. First we apply the formula, then I'm gonna tell you what it does. Equals to count if then comma so it counts append 6. 1, 2, 3. But it also counts the pen insert in a pencil. So make certain in a string. This formula tells you if I'm gonna written the E, so it will count E in the whole this cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have E in almost every cell. So it counts 10. It means it just not finding the exact criteria of whole word. It find the word that we written in the box. So if we gonna have to count the whole words, whole numbers that matches with each other, so we can count from that formula. Understand? So I'm writing a pencil here. So pencil is just 2. Pencil, pencil. Got it? Want to count if operator. Count if. Selecting the range. Comma. So it counts, answer is 4. So it counts the number greater than 10 and equals to 10. So we have 4 numbers 11, 10, 12, 15. I'm gonna write 9. So it becomes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also count lesser than 2. So let's check that. So equals to 9 and lesser than 9 is 5 numbers. 5, 9, 9, 6, 6. So this formula counts the number with the equal and greater than or lesser than as well. So we can easily count the numbers. So let's start from the Countif range, applying the formula. Start from equal sign, count if, bracket open, selecting the range, comma, selecting the criteria, bracket close, minus sign. Again written the formula without equal sign. Okay? Because in the first we write the equal sign, so no need to write another one. Selecting the range again, comma, writing the criteria, so what does it counts? It counts the criteria in a range what we given it. So we simplify equals to 5 and greater than 10. So we have 6 numbers, 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we increase the range of our criteria, so it counts 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Before we learn the range of the same number, greater than 5, greater than 10, greater than 9. So in that we have two options, starting and ending. So we can start from another number and end from another number, less or more. These are the whole concept of count: count A, count if exact, count if string, count if operator, count if range. So in this video we learn all of that, and this workbook downloading link is in the description below. So download that and practice that as well. Thanks. Take care of yourself and everyone as well. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos, follow our Facebook page, share our posts, like our posts, and comment the comment section below. Thank you.